So now we're going to be looking at how to create a chatbot. Now, a chatbot's a really awesome feature. It's completely customizable, and it can be as simple or as complex as you like. So it's right over here, chatbot. So let's just click on that. All right. So basically from this point onwards, you can either use one of your chatbots that you've already created, or you can create a new one. We're going to just go ahead and create a new one right here. So the chatbot can have one of these sort of avatars. So for example, if you want to have, let's try maybe this girl right here, and we're going to call her Sarah Miller. All right. You can change the color theme here, that you can also use color codes as per your branding. You can take off the saleswin branding right here. Yeah, and then we just go on to next over here. So basically it gives you a template. So you can just move around with this. I'm going to zoom in here so that it's easier to see. So it starts off with a message card, right? You click on the little edit sign and you can customize your message by saying howdy or whatever you want to say, right? Click on save. And then basically after that, you have different types of cards that you can put. So if you click here, you can see the message, question, put an option. Every single chat line has to end with an end, and I'll explain that in a second. So let's say option card here. What brought you to our website today? So maybe it can be what can we help you with? And here it can be, so that's right, just click on save. This one can be, I am interested in solar for my home. Save. Then this one is, I am interested in solar for my business, for example. Since we were talking about solar before, right? So basically you can have as many options here as you want, right? And you'll see that this automatically changed here. So I'm interested in solar for my home. I'm interested in solar for my business. Afterwards, you can put another message. You can also collect details. For example, I would like to get your telephone number so I can call you. All of these things are completely customizable. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here because you can make this as complex really as you want. But the objective here is just kind of go over it. What's interesting here is the end card decides what's going to happen to that lead. So here, for example, I'm interested in solar for my business. That becomes a qualified lead. And remember before we made pipelines. So we had made a pipeline called solar panels. So automatically this one is going to go into the solar panel section, right? You could also have it go into as many different sections as you want, right? But just to show you, all of this is completely customizable as per your flow and your imagination. You can get your web guy to customize this as much as you want, or anybody who understands how to use this. It's not very complicated. Once you click on save, right, what's really cool is you can share this via a QR code, or you can download that QR code. You can send it via a link, so you can share it on social media, etc., etc. And another cool feature I just wanted to show you here is now you can actually grab this code and put it on your website. So that's a very, very cool feature, because on your website you can actually integrate this. Now you can just reach out to your webmaster and he'll know how to do that, or if you're working with a service provider, they can do that. And so there you are. That's how you create chatbots. Once again, I'll do a specific video on how to do complex chatbots, but this is an overview video so you understand how this works.